This is kind of the long-range path. If this thing stays on the trajectory it's going, we're not saying there's going to be a tornado in Graves County, specifically in Mayfield, in 2.5 hours.
So giving you a heads up now, you are under a tornado warning right now in Mayfield, but this storm is going to be passing very close to you. Seek shelter.
If you do not take shelter, you are going to be in the path of a life-threatening tornado right now. This is just incredible.
We are very, very concerned at this time for, again, Mayfield. You've got just a couple of minutes. You should really already be in your safe place.
And this is going to make its way right into Mayfield. So very concerning situation. Obviously, we hate to see any tornado on the ground, but major concern as we see this move into a population area, a higher population area.
This is a violent tornado that is going to cross over 45 on the north end of Mayfield. It is doing immense damage right now as we are speaking. Let's zoom this in a little more. Is it possible this could hook a little southeast? Remember, this is the path I just put on of that debris. Is it possible it could hook and hit Mayfield? Sure. There's no official warning yet, but Trent and I are giving you that warning. We're keeping you in our, man.
All right, so here's what we're dealing with right now. Guys, this is a life-threatening tornado that's coming across the Hickman and Fulton County line right now. If you live on Highway 51, right along the county line, it's here. It's on top of you right now. You have to be in your place of shelter. It is likely going to go along the Purchase Parkway or I-69 in between Wingo and Mayfield over about the next perhaps 10 minutes or so. Central Graves County, Mayfield, again, we're talking about 9:27 approximate arrival time. It is now 9:13. We've got 14 minutes until a very powerful, catastrophic tornado is in or around the Mayfield area. So we've had a 107 mile per hour gust outside of this, okay? We're talking about over 100 mile per hour winds, easily over 100 mile per hour winds. It is coming up into Mayfield right now. North, south side, doesn't matter. Every part of Mayfield, you have to be in your shelter now. If you live out toward Mayfield High School, you're going to get hit first. Up toward the north side of town, you guys will get hit next. You have to assume that this is going to cut a large damage path across town. Hopefully, by some miracle, it decides to do something else. But at this point in time, we have to assume that this thing is going to do catastrophic damage around the Mayfield area. I mean, guys, this is it. This is the storm, Mayfield. It's right on track. We said about 9:27, 9:28.